Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group YouTube channel. My name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and the head trader of True Trading Group. In case you didn't know, True Trading Group was a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for the best data analysis tool out there in the industry. And we are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We day trade, we swing trade, we also cover long-term investing. Why should you listen to anything it is that I talk about on this YouTube channel? It's because I did not figure this out by watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career working for T3 Alpha Fund, my first job right out of college in New York City, where they had me go through a training program before the fund ever let me touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened. That was the Great Recession and the big stock market crash, but it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading moderators that are with you each and every single day from pre-market to close. We're not gone after an hour and you left to fend for yourself. We have helped thousands of members, over 10,000 members in 115 countries to be exact, to help them reach their goals. With an over 30-person staff and those 9 professional traders, that is what has helped us to become the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform for retail traders here today. The moderators and myself have been able to sport a cumulative win rate collectively on all of our executions as a group of just around 80% now, roughly the last 4 years. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on any of these videos. I also go live on this channel. Usually I go live like 5-6 times a week. Right now I'm making a quick little recap video for you because honestly, we have so much going on at True Trading Group. We just didn't have time to do a live stream today. We are working on so many things in True Trading Group. There is something so big, so huge that we are going to be releasing to the public that is going to be a complete game changer for retail traders all over the world. When I tell you that our goal at True Trading Group is to revolutionize the retail trader and this retail trading industry, to be the reason why that Wall Street stops referring to retail traders as dumb money, what we are planning and what we are going to be releasing is going to be massive. And I'm not exaggerating. I don't use these words lightly, but I'm so excited for the future of this company and for the future of what we are building right now. And we got something real big coming. So I want to make sure, though, that everybody that's watching this channel, I do want to make sure that you know that tonight is the very last night for a 54% discount on our membership. Now, I'm going to get into you guys with what happened in the markets today. Today was a huge day for us in True Trading Group. In over 200% gain on Carvana. Call options today, the Friday expiration, the $75 strike call, absolute monster in at $3. That thing went all the way to like $9. Just an absolute monster of a move for us today. Went well over $9 a contract, and we were in at $3. So this was an unbelievable day for us. It's a textbook setup. It is a grade A setup. There's a lot to learn from it from a technical standpoint. I will break down that trade with you. We'll go over what the setup was. We'll go over what the indicator was that we were going to get a short squeeze, because this was a short squeeze type of play. That's exactly what happened in Carvana today. And there were signs that told you that this move was coming. And I'm going to explain to you exactly what those signs were that allowed us to be able to hit a home run. It was a big day for us. That is trade of the day inside of the group. Like I said, over a 200% gain. Before I get into that, I want to make sure that you all understand that tonight is the very last night for that 54% discount on our membership. What I want you to do right now, go to ttgoffer.com. Literally just open up another web browser. Go to ttgoffer.com. Every single thing that you see on that page is what is included with your membership. Again, all of these things are included. This is the reason why we're a finalist for the Benzinga FinTech Awards, because of all of these tools that you will get when you join our community. Now, the price of our membership, when you go to the page, it's going to say that it's over $2,000, right? You need to enter the coupon code I am giving you. TTG121. Again, that is TTG121. Click apply code. You have to manually do it yourself. Then the price drops to just $1,017. I've got some laptops for those of you that are going to be joining here this evening. This offer is only good until midnight tonight. You guys will know you're getting a laptop as long as you see one in the checkout cart that you see right there. It's a Windows 11 laptop, comes with Microsoft 365 for the year. It's totally free. We even cover the shipping costs. Remember, we have members in 115 countries. I don't care where you live, as long as it's on Earth, I'll get you guys that laptop. Every single thing you see on that page is included. You're going to get access to all of our courses, which is a simplified version of what I learned when I went through the training program working at the fund. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. You have access to all of it. Then you're going to be getting access to Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data. Just that alone, go to Benzinga directly. It's $1,000 a year. You join us, you get that included. You're going to get Trading Views premium charting software. The Trade Idea Scanner streams on our platform for you guys all to use. Well, you're going to get to use our AI trading tools, a trading journal to track your trading for you, a social sentiment scanner, analyst ratings, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data. All of this is included when you join True Trading Group. Every single thing that is on ttgoffer.com is included with your membership. All you have to do, some of you may pay for those things already. You don't have to pay for them anymore when you join us. It's all on our platform for you guys to use. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops at $10.17. You're going to get a free laptop with it. Don't forget that. And I'm also offering you a double your money back guarantee. I am dead serious. I did not stutter. Your internet connection is just fine. Yes, we offer a double your money back guarantee. Our double your money back guarantee is right there on the checkout page in black and white. Yes, it's real. Go read it. I ask you to do the following. Go through the courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group. You have the entire year of your membership to do that. So take your time. Go at your own pace. You don't have to do this all within 14 days. If after completing those things, you are still unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $1,017 membership fee that you're going to pay to join, you can make that back at least one time during your membership, we will give you back $2,034. Double what you are paying to join this community. That is how much that we believe in the platform that we have created. That is how much that we stand behind the statements that we make. You can make that $1,017 membership fee back at least one time during your membership. We will give you back double your money, $2,034. I can do that because our refund rate is less than 2.5%. So we have a retention rate amongst our members of 78%, and we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,500 reviews. If you have any questions about our membership, ask us. We're fully transparent. We are an open book. Send a text message to 1-888-306-8783. The phone number is right down there at the bottom of the screen. 1-888-306-8783. Any questions you have, text us. Don't hesitate. We'll answer anything that you guys want to know. That 54% discount ends at midnight tonight. You will get a free laptop. Again, you also do not need to enter your address. When you sign up, you'll get a welcome email from us with instructions how to claim that laptop. You do not need to enter your address to get it. Be on the lookout for that welcome email. Instructions will be in there how to claim your free laptop. All right. That's it, folks. ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Let's get on over to Carvana. Trade of the day, lessons I want you guys to learn from this. Now, what I would like to actually show you, one thing you have to understand, as a member of True Trading Group, you don't have to worry about like chasing trade alerts where a moderator, calls out a trade. By the time you get in, the moderator's getting out, right? First of all, we're not scalpers. We are traditional day traders. We do have one scalper who was a former market maker who's been a professional trader for 25 years. He's a scalper. He scalps SPY options all day long. He does 0 DTE SPY options each and every single day. Guy's an absolute beast. His name is Gio. Like I said, former market maker, about just about as good as it gets. Okay. But myself and a lot of our other moderators, remember, there's 9 professional traders with you in True Trading Group. We are traditional day traders and swing traders, which means our day trades we're in position for several hours, and our swing trades we're in position for a few days. Okay. For example, I've been short Intel for the last several days. We took more profit off on that position today. Intel has been weak. I'll just pull up Intel chart for you guys. This is a position that I've been in for about 4 days, and you guys can see that Intel has been weak and it's been kind of just drifting to the downside. And we've been short that position. We took some profit off today. But Carvana, this was a trade for us today, and this was an absolute monster. And what I wanted you to understand is that before the market even opens, the moderators and I tell you, okay, guys, this is what we think is going to happen today. These are the stocks that we're focused on, and these are the prices we're looking to get in at. Okay. You know exactly what our plan is before the day starts. That way, you know, you can focus your attention. You don't need to be running around like a chicken with its head cut off. Now, I've got a video clip. It's less than a minute long. It's about 58 seconds long, where this morning before the market opened, I was discussing Carvana, right? I told everybody, hey guys, this is what I think. I think Carvana is going to move higher today. I think we're going to break over 76. I think we're going to experience a short squeeze, and I'm going to be buying this stock around $74. It's exactly what I say in this video clip. I'm going to play it for you in just a moment, but I want you to see the type of analysis that you get before the market opens. And then I want you to really think about it for a second. Put yourself in this position. Could you have, if you were listening to me say this at around 9 o'clock Eastern time this morning, before the market opened, if you heard me say all of this, do you think you could have taken advantage of Carvana, where the stock went up 15% today, while members were able to capitalize on a 200% gain on call options? Do you think after listening to this analysis, you could have been able to capitalize on it? Never mind getting notified exactly the moment when I entered the position, because as the moderators, when our orders execute and fill, you get real-time notifications letting you know the price that our orders just filled at. So here's a quick video clip. It's from before the market opened this morning on the TGD platform, where we discussed trade idea of the day, Carvana long. Let's go ahead and play that clip. Carvana has a very obvious resistance level up there at 76. It's double top from yesterday and Friday. After they had their earnings, remember, big gap up on earnings, right? Big gap up on earnings. Reported a profitable quarter, which was a surprise. And you really just have this range here. You've got the double bottom support at 66.5, and you got the double top resistance at 76. Literally, just you can see it the last 2 trading days. Top, bottom, bottom. They're exactly the same prices. I want to see if Carvana shoots up to 76 right off the open. Maybe I can try to get long around 74. Stop around 70. If we can break through 76, I think you can see a little bit of a short squeeze on Carvana. Carvana has a sizable short position on it. So there you guys have it. Okay. There you guys have it. That's before the market opens, when I told you guys I'm looking for Carvana right off the open early to shoot up towards 76. Then I'm going to get long at 74, and we're going to look for 76 to break and then squeeze through and run up into the 80s. Exactly what you just heard us say, what you just heard me say in the pre-market session. Now let's take a look. What did Carvana actually do? Well, right out of the gate, we shot right up to 76. We did get long at 74, 74.22, and then we got this beautiful squeeze move. You can see this thing shoots all the way up here, goes all the way as high as $83.50 today, and just an unbelievable move. But let's go back and let's go over the actual lessons from the trade itself, okay? Because how can you know when a stock has momentum? That's a really great question that a lot of people will have, right? Here you have Carvana. Carvana just experienced its earnings last week. The earnings were very good. Okay. Earnings for Carvana were very good on Friday. You had this big gap up, reported a surprise little profitable quarter, and you gapped above a key level of resistance, which was right here. You guys can see this level of resistance had been intact for the last several months. All right. And we gapped above it. So that level was cleared out. And now I'm thinking to myself, okay, surprise earnings result, huge gap up above resistance. Look for that short position in Carvana to start to get covered out. The first thing that you start to notice is a double top high. You see these 2 highs, double top high. Now, this is almost, for those of you that follow candlestick patterns, this is a tweezer top, right? This is a tweezer top. This actually normally would be a bearish candlestick pattern. However, When you have a short squeeze, a way for you to tell when a stock has momentum is when you have such an incredibly obvious resistance level, like you see right there in Carvana at 76, right? Now, this is a daily chart. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to a 3-minute chart so I can show you guys this in a little bit more detail. So now here you have it, right? I didn't move the line. Here's the double top, right? There's that double top. Now, in order for me to determine that the stock still has momentum, I would want to see today buyers early push right up into that level. And why is it important to see them push right up into that level? Because if buyers push right up into this level right off the open, that tells me they're not scared of this resistance, because everybody sees this resistance level. Normally what you would see, and that's why the tweezer top candlestick pattern is typically a bearish pattern. Normally that tells buyers, we're not going to break this level. Let's just get out now. And then more profit taking kicks in and the stock then continues to pull itself back away from that level. That's what normally happens. So that's why you heard me say in that pre-market session, guys, if we very quickly shoot up there towards 76, that's a sign there's still momentum here. I'm going to look to get long. So today the market opens up and we gap up and right out of the gate, bang, look at that pop, right? You see this big, strong pop right up into that resistance level. That is exactly what we said. That tells me buyers are not scared of this resistance level. It's time for us to get long. So now we look for intraday patterns or intraday setups that can give us an entry point where we can clearly identify where's my stop loss, where's my risk, and we can really start to position ourselves. Now we're going to talk I just covered a lesson with you on how to determine when a stock has momentum, knowing that buyers are not scared of a resistance level, all the more of an indication that that level may break. More likely and more probable that level may break when you see something like this. Now let's talk about an intraday trade setup that is my absolute favorite. I coined this the TTG triangle. Okay, it's something that I teach all of our members. You guys will learn it as a member True Trading Group. For those of you that are experienced traders, all the TTG triangle is really a specific variation of the ABCD pattern, right? The ABCD pattern is a very common technical pattern. It's essentially an ABCD pattern when specific criteria are met. What are those criteria? Let's get in and talk about it. When you have a stock that puts in its initial morning high, there's your initial morning high. Okay. Now, the initial morning high does not necessarily have to be the first candle. It's just the high that gets put in before the first noticeable pullback. And you can see we ran all the way up to 74.25 and then dropped all the way back down to 72. So that's a noticeable pullback in price. Then you broke through it on this candle right here. Now, what you'll notice, if we can just drop the message on the bottom of the screen, so you guys can see the volume. So here you can see we broke through that initial morning high. I'll draw a line across the initial morning high, right? I'll draw a line right across it. We broke through it right here. What you will notice is when we broke through that initial morning high right here, the volume that came in on that break was the heaviest volume bar of the entire day. When you get the heaviest volume of the day on a break through the initial morning high, that also is an indication of momentum. That gives me my signal. It's time to get long. So I stepped in and I got filled right here on this pullback into 74.20 on this candle right here. There's the entry on our fill. Now I got into the stock itself. I trade the equities. I have a large account. I trade the equities. I personally don't trade the options, but whenever I execute a trade, I will always alert to members. Okay, guys, I'm long Carvana 74.22. If you want to follow me on the trade and I send out the alert, I go March 1st expiration, $75 strike call, $3, right? Now that option was between $3 and $3.10 at the time of the entry. And then members were getting in there $3. Some got $2.95, some got $3.10, some got $3.25. It all depends on where you executed your trade. And that's where the entry then there was. Now, as you will see, we then put together, I don't want to go that far. What you'll start to see now is once you get this heavier volume that comes in, heaviest volume of the day, you then get a pullback back into that previous level. And then now you can see this level that once was initial morning high is now beginning to act as a level of support. As you see us start to act as a level of support, you start to put in these little triangle pattern as you make these lower highs off of that area. And that puts in this little bit of a triangle pattern. And then you start to get the break out of the triangle and the rest is history. Okay, this is the TTG triangle setup. It's something that I look for each and every single day. It is an extremely high probability pattern. Does it work 100% of the time? Absolutely not, right? There is no chart pattern that works 100% of the time. But this is an extremely high probability pattern. It's one of my favorite, and it provides you with monster risk reward. Because when you identify that initial morning high level, you have your stop loss just underneath it. Okay, so you can have stop loss just underneath. There's the entry, there's the stop, and you guys can see you get this beautiful follow through move to the upside. Now you can see the risk that was being taken on the trade versus the reward on that trade. This is how you get 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 1 type of trades when you're able to capitalize on a T2 triangle setup like this. And this is exactly what we did. Okay, so we just started taking profits off all along the way throughout this entire rally. My top take profit on the day was right there, above $82 and change was my best take profit. And the call options at that time were over 200% gain on the 75 strike March 1st expiration. And I'm still hanging on to a small piece of this position. I have a runner on. It's like 10, 12% of my original position, just in case this continues to squeeze, because I really don't see a major resistance level on the stock until you get up into the 90s. Are we going to actually get into the 90s? I don't know, but I don't see major resistance until there. So I'm just going to hold a small piece of my position and see if we get there. My stop loss is back against $76 now. If we get back under 76, I'll take my final profit off the table. Again, it's just a runner. It's about 10 to 12% of my original position. Okay, so an absolute monster. Congratulations, all of our members that capitalize on Carvana. But this is the type of analysis that you guys are going to get from us. We tell you before the market opens, this is what we think is going to happen. This is the stock. These are the stocks we're focused on. These are the prices that we're going to get in at. You heard me say very clearly on that video. And if you missed it, go back and watch it. $74 is where I plan on getting long. If we break through 76, the stock has room to squeeze. It's exactly what happened. Again, at 74.20s, we broke through 76. We squeezed to 83. Beautiful trade, right? 2 lessons to learn. How to know when the stock has momentum and it's not scared of a resistance level. And then also the T2 triangle setup. 2 phenomenal lessons you guys can use in your trading going forward. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn this stuff a little bit more in detail, a little bit more in depth, and learn this to the point where you can start identifying these setups on your own and you can start taking advantage of these setups. Or if you just want to be able to get notified whenever myself or the other 9 professional traders enter positions and when they exit positions, do yourself a favor, guys, and take advantage of this discount because tonight's the last night for it. Go to ttgoffer.com, use that coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops down all the way down to $1,017 for the whole year. There are no upsells for courses. There are no upsells for the tools and resources that you see on that page. Everything listed on ttgoffer.com is included at no additional cost when you join for the $1,017. You got a double your money back guarantee for peace of mind. I don't think you need it, but if you can't make the $1,017 membership fee back at least once during your membership, we will give you back $2,034, double what you're paying. All I ask is you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend the study group. We do study groups every single Thursday. I'm asking you to just do this. Just do those things. If you can make back the $1,017 at least once, we'll give you the double your money back. Our refund rate's it's less than 2.5%. That's why I can do it. 78% of our members stay with us after they've joined. They renew their membership or they've gone on to become lifetime members. 78% of our community. We have over 10,000 members from 115 different countries. Truly a global community. If you have any questions, text us 1-888-306-8783. Remember that laptop icon. Those that join will get a free laptop. It comes with Windows 11. Excuse me, it's a Windows 11 laptop. It comes with Microsoft 365 for the year. You don't have to enter your address. Be on the lookout for a welcome email after you join. That welcome email will have instructions how to claim your laptop. All right. Again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Do it now. Valid until midnight tonight. Congratulations, guys. Another huge day here for us. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your night. If you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. Turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys all back in chat. Have a great night. Later.